Hi children, I hope you're all safe at home, and today we are going to learn the verb forms. Auxiliary or helping verbs are used with other verbs and often help in forming tenses. At times, some of them can be used even as principal verbs. Let us consider the following examples. Here there are so many verb forms in both present tense, past tense, and past participle. In order to read and understand and to speak to others, one should learn more vocabulary every day. At least every day, 4 or 5 words, so that we can understand well when others are speaking, and when we are reading any article or newspaper, we can understand the matter. And here there are some of the verbs both in present tense, past tense, and past participle. For example, the present tense be, and past tense was and were, and past participle been. And present tense has and have, past tense had, and past participle had. Do, did, done. Can, could. May, might, must, must. Need, needed. Will, would. Shall, should. Ought, ought. Dare, dared. Use, used. And here are some of the verbs which remain the same in all the three forms, both present tense, past tense, and past participle. The three forms of the verbs are same. They are burst, burst, cost, cost, cut, cut, hit, hit, hurt, hurt, let, let, put, put, read, read, set, set, shut, shut, split, split, spread, spread. And here there are some verbs where all the three forms are different. They are different in present tense, past tense, and past participle. They are arise, arose, arisen. Arise, arose, arisen. Bear, bore, born, begin, began, begun, bite, bit, bitten, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken, choose, chose, chosen, do, did, done, draw, drew, drawn, drink, drank, drunk, eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen, fly, flew, flown, forbid, forbade, forbidden, forget, forgot, forgotten, freeze, froze, frozen, give, gave, given, grow, grew, grown, be, was, been, lie, lay, lain, mistake, mistook, mistaken, ride, rode, ridden, ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen, saw, served, served, or song, shake, shook, shaken, show, showed, showed, or shown, sing, sang, sung, sink, sank, sunk, slay, slew, slain, speak, spoke, spoken, spring, sprang, sprung, steal, stole, stolen, swear, swore, sworn, swim, swam, swum, take, took, taken, tear, tore, torn, throw, threw, thrown, weave, wove, woven, write, wrote, written, take, took, taken, tear, tore, torn. Now, there are certain verbs remain the same in two of the forms. They are beat, wet, beaten, become, became, become, bend, bent, bent, bind, bound, bound, bring, brought, brought, build, built, built, burn, burnt, burnt, buy, bought, bought, catch, caught, caught, come, came, come. creep, crept, crept, dig, dug, dug, dream, dreamt, dreamt, or dreamed, dreamed, feed, fed, fed, fight, fought, fought, find, found, found, fling, flung, flung, found, founded, founded, get, got, got, grind, ground, ground, hang, hung, hung, has, had, had, hear, heard, heard, have, had, had, hold, held, held, keep, kept, kept, kneel, knelt, knelt, or kneeled, kneeled, knit, knitted, knitted, lay, laid, laid, lead, led, led, leave, left, left, lend, lent, lent, light, lit, lit, or lighted, lighted, loss, lost, lost, make, made, made, mean, meant, meant, meet, met, met, pay, paid, paid, run, ran, run, say, said, said, send, sent, sent, sell, sold, sold, shoot, shot, shot, sit, sat, sat, sleep, slept, slept, slide, slid, slid, smell, smelt, smelt, or smelled, smelled, spend, spent, spent, spill, spilt, spilt, or spilled, spilled, stand, stood, stood, stake, stuck, stuck, strike, struck, struck, teach, taught, taught, tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, understand, understood, understood, weep, wept, wept, win, won, won, will, wood, wood. Stick, stuck, stuck. Thank you, children.